back to Bochiknot and Bochiknot.com. My name is Nicole. In this channel, you will find everything you need to know to begin macrame, whether you are looking to do it as a hobby or you want to get to a more advanced level so that you can create your own designs. You will find everything macrame right here. So in today's tutorial, we'll be going over a pattern that I created called the Luna pattern. It is made from a series of crisscross double half-inch knots as well as square knots. And similar to a bunch of my other patterns, when repeated you can make many different macrame projects such as rugs, table runners, wall hangings, even bags and clutches, and the list goes on. I decided to make a magazine holder with this pattern. I have wanted to make a magazine holder to hang in my bathroom, so I decided to use this pattern and make one with it. This tutorial will cover the Luna pattern only, but if you guys are interested in seeing how I turn this pattern into a magazine holder, check out my Patreon site, which I've posted a link to in the video description below. So many of you watching already know that I have been posting a lot of macrame YouTube tutorials, and I have been for a while now, and I plan on continuing to do so. There's another platform called Patreon where I am on that I want to let you guys know about. So Patreon, for those of you who don't know, is another platform where you can get exclusive content. And so for Bochiknot, that means exclusive macrame content, such as pattern ebooks that you can download for those of you who prefer to learn from an ebook format, or other video tutorials such as a macrame flower series and other unique patterns and designs. The video tutorials on Patreon are in much more detail as I walk you through step by step each phase of the project from start to finish. The ultimate goal of that is to help you guys progress from beginner to intermediate to advanced and to level up your macrame skill set. It is also meant to be an open and encouraging platform for like-minded individuals like you to come on and learn and share ideas in regards to macrame. But more importantly, you will get access to ask me questions directly on anything that you encounter along your macrame journey. And some popular questions that are asked are: what type of cord do I use for what type of project? How do I start a specific project, and how do I end a specific project? And for those of you who are interested in getting exclusive access to my Patreon site, check out the link in the video description below. And with that, let's begin the Luna pattern.
To begin, I have showed you here what you will need to make a 28 by 33 centimeter piece of this pattern. I will show you guys today how to make one section of the pattern, and you can continue adding on cords to make more sections of the pattern if you would like, depending on what kind of project you are looking to use this pattern on. To make one section of the pattern, I've attached 8 strands of cord onto a wooden dowel using a lark's head knot so that I get 16 strands of cord dangling from the dowel. To begin the pattern, using the cord furthest on the right, use that as the anchor cord for a row of diagonal double half-hitch knots with the next 3 cords to the left. Now mirror what you just did with the 9th cord, using that as the anchor cord with a row of diagonal double half-hitch knots down to the right, making a V. Now repeat this pattern again right underneath both sides. Repeat this entire section on the left. To connect both sections, make a square knot in the middle with the middle 4 cords. Then taking the bottom row on the right, we will continue that diagonally to the middle, which will start creating a diamond with the square knot in the middle. Repeat the step again on the left side. Now taking the fourth cord from the right as the anchor cord, we will make a row of double half hitch knots to the right. Once you're done, repeat on the left side to close off that diamond with the square knot in the middle. To finish off this pattern, we will take the middle cords underneath each cross and use that as the anchor cord for a row of diagonal double half hitch knots down on each side. You have now completed one section of the pattern. If you continue adding cords to the right or continue on with the pattern down vertically, you can make a larger version of this piece. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you guys next time.